There we go.つかロゴ必要かな。 本当に必要かね。もう、ほんとめんどくせえ。Hey, Skullmate. I don't know how I'm yawning considering how much I I was sleeping, but Aristek arrived in, oh nice, nice. Next week, perfect for, I don't know. I thought there was something, well actually I guess there is, no, that's not this next week. I mean I guess next week is what, precisely Christmas, so perfect timing for Christmas, I guess. Actually, speaking of washing sheets, I need to wash my my sleeping bag that I've been using in the office, right? The thing I didn't realize is I guess a lot of sleeping bags are not supposed to put into like top loading laundry machines. So I'm like, where the hell do I mean, I guess I got to go to like a laundromat. Because I was like, I can't find like the side loading ones like anywhere. They were bad. Try to wash them more consistently. Although one thing I will say though is that I don't know. I feel like you have to like put it on like the I feel like to like get like like bed sheets really clean, you got to put it on like the max settings. And like I don't know about you, but like whenever I do that, I feel like the bed sheets like wear out super fast. And I was like, so what is the solution then? You either like wash them so hard they tear themselves apart, or you don't and they kind of still smell. And it's like, well, which do you have to do? Like, or which do you choose, right? Like, so yeah, I don't know. I mean, I imagine part of the reason is probably because I'm using like really old washing machines. Like the only ones I'm using for reference, right, are the one back at home and the one in my current place that I rent, which is, a pretty old one. So it's like, yeah, what do you do? Off-brand. See, that's why you got to get hospital bed sheets, man. You got to get like the slightly what do you call it? Like the slightly off-white ones that they use in hospitals, because they got that sorted out. They intentionally they intentionally use colors that are off-white in the beginning so that you can't tell. Actually, when I learned that they actually did that, I just like laughed my ass off. So like, I thought it was like, oh yeah, cream color. That's what it is. You got to find cream color bed sheets. That way they don't, look off white, or that way they always look off white. Oh yeah. But apparently that's a thing that hospitals actually do, right? They apparently actually intentionally use like cream colored sheets for that reason. Always thought it was funny. Yeah. Anyway, right now I'm looking for actually I'm kind of on the fence about this. On one hand, I kind of want to make a logo for Operation, Notice Me Omega Alpha Song, but because I think I have everything set. I think all the plugins I need. I started translating a few videos for how to do like utatte mita videos. So I'm in the middle of transcribing those. So I was thinking maybe I should make a logo to kind of denote which. Then again, well, I was gonna make a logo to denote what content I upload would be categorized under that. But then I kind of realized all the content I make will be categorized under that, basically. So, so if that's the case, then do I really need a logo? I'm not sure. So I'm kind of browsing through fonts while wondering if it's worth the hassle. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, speaking of that, I should head home today and do laundry too. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not finding any good fonts, and well, I mean, I guess I found a good font. I just don't know if I really want to bother making a logo out of it. Now, let me finish browsing through the fonts, and then if I can't find a good font, then yeah. All right. Yeah, how long has it been? Fuck, my sense of time is totally fucked up since my exam. Has it been what, like a week? I can't remember. Is it just me, or did everyone in like EN get sick in some capacity? Because I remember seeing a post by Tencho the other day about how I guess she got like bronchitis or something, or she's, I think, I don't know if she actually got it or they think it's bronchitis or something. But I feel like, did everyone just get sick at the same time or something? Like, I mean, I guess something's going around, be it the flu or what, but yeah. Yeah, jeez. About a week, okay. Let's see, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm actually gonna fly home fly home on the 21st, so I'm gonna have to, I guess I'll just have to be careful. Yeah, shit, in that case maybe I should just ask my parents to drive me, and then I don't worry about, catching something at the airport. Okay, that's good. Yeah. But yeah, like I don't know if it's just a stroke of shitty luck for everyone or what, but like, yeah. Yeah. Sometime next. Yeah, that'd be. Yeah, hopefully before. Right, exactly. Hopefully right around Christmas. That'd be perfect timing. Yeah. Although, anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna be heading home on the 21st or something. So I think it will. I know it's the 21st. I should verify that, or else my plane ticket will be invalid. But yeah. Yeah, it's the 21st. slowly just converting everything into Iris merch. You're back. One more week, right? One more week. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not finding any good fonts though, so essentially what I'm wondering is if maybe I don't like what are the really key things for me to do here, and it's like, is really making a font that big of a priority for me? And it's like, yeah, it's a right, Doris and Docuris, right? You know, next thing you know, the next set of merch is gonna be like Iris like bed sheets or something. Or like, but see, one thing I really don't understand, or may not don't understand, but I really think that they should do as merch is really like iron-on patches. I think I mentioned this before, but like I'll DIY one if I have to at some point. But I feel like iron-on patches are really like you know, I think it's one of those things where it's like if you want merch but you don't want to spend a lot of money, I feel like it's a really good thing to have. So I don't know why they don't do that more. I just looking at a lot of people's merch, I see like they're like acrylic stands and stuff, but they never do that. Yeah. Tired. All right, yeah, sounds good. Yeah. All right, yeah, thanks for popping by. See you later. I'm gonna just yeah, I don't know if I really want to do a logo. What do I really need? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna think about it a little more. I don't know if I really want to invest the time into making a logo. Doesn't feel like it's a priority for me. But yeah, thanks for popping by. Let's got it. Where's me? Let's see. What should I really be? Yeah, that's really that's the question. What should I really be spending my time on right now? Like how much does it cost like on Fiverr to do a logo? Someone says starting at $5, and they have a decent number of reviews. Yeah, $5 isn't that bad. I mean, $5 is dirt cheap, really, so. Actually, let me charge my battery first. Alright, and we'll just let that charge. Yeah, I don't really need a logo, do I? It's not really that important, so... Alright, so... Oh, I should have just asked him while he was there. Oh, okay, so... All right, so let's see. So what are the things I really want to focus on? I guess is the question, right? So ああ、そうだ。結局どうするんだ、そこは。 ba. Yet. Oh, okay. How does this work? Let's see. Adjust settings. No. And is there? How do you? Okay. What is this button? Guests. No. It's emojis. How do you comment on a? How do you comment on a Twitter space? To add a comment to the space, tap the plus icon in the lower left. There is none. Okay. So you can open up the tweet that the Twitter space is associated with. What? So, but that's not what it. Do they not have a way to? Let's check it again. So, there's captions. Okay, share feedback. What is that? 使い方がわからないんだけど。Yeah, let's try this some other time. やっぱ一番楽な方法はもうデータ大量に使う方か。No contract. Alright, so let's see. So 30 hours a month at 30 hours a month, which is 60 minutes per hour, which is 60 seconds per minute. Yeah. Times 429 kilobits per second. Comes out to just over 5 gigabytes per second. Yeah. Or gigabytes, or gigabytes per month, essentially. Okay. I feel like I did this calculation already. But let's see. So we want to go to no contract and see what the cheapest deal for, say, a 6 gigabyte data plan would be. All right, cell phone plans 2022, or even hotspot plans. Well, cell phone plans usually are cheaper, right? So, let's see. We want to filter by this field, where data amount, alright, let's delete this. Data amount is, never mind. Let's try that again.やっぱ使い方わかんないとね。 微妙。And I guess I can do the same thing I did last time. Just get a 6-month plan, see if I actually use it or not. Alright, so we'll do the same thing as we did last year, which is Let's see. Do any of these SIM cards still? Did I leave a SIM card in here? Please say it did. And that's a negative. How about this guy? No SIM card either. Great. That's T-Mobile. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So, what should I do then? Oh, めんどくさいもんばっかだな. Oh yeah, see, like this is more like it. Just like a... And in fact, I could probably just DIY one of these, couldn't I? Probably cheaper to just buy one, honestly. What does this include? Tripod mount. Okay. Well, I mean, I could DIY something like that pretty easily, couldn't I? Yeah, it'd be nice to have something like something to stabilize this. Hmm. And at that point, I should. Well, I already sort of do have a tripod, don't I? Actually, yeah, that's a good point. I already have sort of a tripod, don't I? So, be just a quick matter of popping this guy out. Let's see. And then, let's popping that guy out. And the holding mechanism looks nice. It's just kind of a screw to clamp down. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Moderacy, thanks for coming by. Yeah, I needed some rest. Although I'm gonna end the stream early today as well, just because I don't know. I'm kind of I think I'm kind of just recovering overall from exams and stuff, or exam singular. Yeah. Anyway, back to the not the grind, so to speak, but now that I'm hopefully free from classes, I don't actually know because I didn't do super hot on the exam, and I don't know if who's going to be grading our exams. So, but assuming I am, yeah, assuming I'm done, then I'm free from classes for a while. So back to work on Operation Notice Me Omega Alpha song. But so yeah, I'm just kind of sorting out some stuff there. I'm trying to yeah, I'm not sure how. I want to take some videos to make some video, or I want to record some videos for some content, right? But I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do that, because I don't have a good camera, and I don't know what I'm going to do. Told your voice sounds like the nerd emoji. Well, I mean, I suppose. I mean, I won't comment on whether that's true or not, but I suppose it's a very descriptive way, I suppose, of phrasing. How do I? Okay, there we go. Yeah, the camera is so or the image is so noisy, presumably because of how dark it is. Yeah, I mean, people are entitled to their opinion, right? So certainly just. Yeah, the image is so noisy. I wish there was. And I don't know, I guess the real way around stuff like that is, this really is just like add more light to the scene. So if I just grab my smartphone here and just blast the flashlight at whatever I'm looking at, it doesn't really change anything. Yeah. So yeah, like what is the solution here? I suppose the simplest solution is just buy more lighting or buy like a lighting rig or something to increase the amount of light. Yeah, is that really just the best solution then? Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, voices, huh? Yeah. Well, yeah. Oh yeah, and sorry, I didn't reply to your message on Discord from a while ago, but I mean I don't really have a comment on it, so hence that. But yeah, hopefully you're doing good, or hopefully you're doing not bad. Yeah, let's see. So let's see. What do I need? Okay, so what do I need to take videos for? E-bike, like e-bike content. So maybe I should just buy like a GoPro or some like action camera. I don't know. But okay, so the e-bike stuff and then stuff about the computer. So the e-bike stuff doesn't need special lighting, but the stuff about the computer probably does because there's not a lot of lighting in here. So then maybe what I should really be looking for is just like a cheap like lighting like array or something. Yeah, I don't know. I guess the best solution in my case would actually be to put up a bunch of lamps, but this is an office, so that won't quite work. Although, wait, no. So I ended up ordering that laptop. So actually, I don't need my main computer here anymore. Yeah, like at all. So I can take this home, which means I could just use the lighting in my room. Yeah. Yeah, like, well, let me think. What content do I actually need to get done at school, or in the office? Uh, Nothing really, except for like audio recording and stuff. So, so then maybe I don't need to buy anything? Question mark. Yeah, I don't know. Excuse me. Yeah, so let's see. What do I need to actually buy? What do I need to actually buy? So, stuff that I just do on my laptop that doesn't need any extra hardware. If I try to capture... Oh, no. Okay, so then maybe what I need to do is I just need to make a default install for... and just a bunch of removable drives. Maybe that's what I need. So that way, whatever project I'm working on, I can have just OBS set up on it, and then just screen record. Yeah. So then maybe what I really need is just a bunch of removable hard drives or spare hard drives. Let's see. So where the fuck am I getting all those? Okay. I don't see any good deals. Okay, so maybe what do I need to do? I guess I need to get a list of like all the drives. Does this one have? I kind of gave this to him, and yeah, okay, yeah, that's just one. Okay, that's fine. I'll just give that to him. That's fine. Okay. Do I have any drives here? I have a Kit Kat here. Interesting. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I feel like there's so much to do, but just everything's just so precisely in a way such that it's inconvenient to do all of them. Laptop is still in transit. Okay. Man, why couldn't they just add like a fucking flash to these iPads? Actually. I have 2 bar like LEDs at home. I could use that. Oh, well, no, but does that have a way to stick at anything? Let's see. Okay. How about this then? Where is Notion? Go double check all the projects I have. So, we want to log the behavior of the MSI Z170A Gaming Pro Carbon. That's BIOS dependent. Let's see, what is it? So, let's see. So the V1A BIOS results in the HD72A capture card not being detected in slots or any of the non-CPU slots. And we noted that the V1.0 BIOS does detect it in a PCIe slot. So maybe what I should do is I should just... So basically, if I can get this project or the video for... Take whatever PCIe capture or PCIe cards I have. I don't know if this one works. So I can take these home as well, because these will be USB add-in cards and then Ethernet card. So we can test what devices fit. So basically, if I just get the video for this video, or sorry, if I just do the recording for this project, then I can just... Well, then I'm done with that computer, so I don't need to have it kind of in a state that, you know, in a state of like sort of being in use. I can just fully designate it as like a, you know, a finished project or something. And then after I do that, Super Ultra Pretty V2, yeah, man, that's what I need. I just need to leech off of their viewership. Am I right? Although I was gonna ask, I don't really know who, but I was gonna maybe send out a tweet later and say like, is anyone interested in working on like song covers? Because I am planning to do that. I have some more videos that I watched that make it seem pretty easy. I didn't realize this, but I think there's a lot of like long videos, which is good, but there's also I guess I don't know if it's the same Ghetto song. There was like Ghetto song in the Utaite scene several years ago that was really popular, and there's a Ghetto song that's part of like a 2 or 3 man group that kind of does like variety content now. And I'm assuming it's the same Ghetto song because they sound pretty similar. But he has this really like, it's like a 20-30 minute video on like how they do a quick like song cover. And I was like, okay, that's more digestible. Anyway, I'm planning to go home on the 21st or something. Not or something. It's literally on that day. But I'm planning to just download that video and then kind of annotate it while I'm waiting for the flight. So that's, those song covers are slowly but steadily moving forward. Yeah. Actually, so Monteristy, are you still here? Just a quick question. Do you know anyone that would be willing to do like, I don't know what the best phrase. Essentially, I'm considering like outsourcing the work for at least the art for like the song covers, especially since they're only going to be like 30 seconds to like a minute long. I'm like, I don't really want to invest too much money in it, but anyone that could do it like really like sketch level art, but like for a lot of quick, maybe not quick sketches, but yeah, like I want to put like something on the screen just so it's not just like a copy of the video, but like the only like essentially the content, maybe Skeb. Yeah, maybe I should just go to Skeb then. Yeah, I haven't really looked into it much yet, but I'm a little bit hesitant to ask other people to do it because basically what I'm asking for is just like cheap but quick work. And I know as an artist, you know, a lot of people don't like to do like shitty work. So intentionally asking for just really like quick and like just quick basic work, I realize is kind of a little insulting to a lot of artists. So I'm a little bit hesitant to ask, but essentially that's really what I need. I just need like a quick sketch, and then I'm just going to use the quick sketch plus, you know, and use that as as a reason to learn how to do like text effects on DaVinci Resolve, and then just kind of smash them together into like a really basic video. And then yeah, so right now I'm doing it on my own, like on Procreate here, but you know, it is time consuming, so I'm like, do I really want to, like, I mean, you can't really see it on screen, but yeah. So, well, that wasn't even in frame of the fucking camera, but anyway, you get the point. Yeah. So I guess maybe just kind of back to what I was thinking. So, if it's at least hop on Fortnite. Oh, actually, so I figured out I figured out one thing that was causing all the weird stuttering in Overwatch. And it has nothing to do with Overwatch. It has to do with the fact that the wireless connection here at school is super fucking spotty. So I don't know why it was so consistent for that brief few weeks, but it's definitely because I'm streaming using Wi-Fi at school. I speculate that it's a little bit better now that the semester's over. I haven't tested it yet, but I speculate that the latency will be a little bit better now that the semester is over and the network's not as, you know, congested as it was during like finals week. But I think the long story short is that any gaming streams I'm gonna have to do from home for, you know, just from a latency perspective, which is fine because really I shouldn't be here this often, right? I should just fucking go home. But yeah. So anyway, yeah. Man, I'm just so tired. Okay, so yeah, what do I need to do? I guess what I need to do at home is I kind of need to set up just my desk as like a workbench, and then just lay out all this computer hardware, not even in sorry. Well, I can kind of hear it in my voice, right? I do feel a little groggy. Just in general, it's just honestly, maybe I should just sleep. I am tired. I mean, the reason why I'm still in the office is really because I was gonna record some of that audio, like for the song cover, but I don't know. I'm just so tired. Oh, well, I was waiting for my battery to charge. So it actually just finished. I don't know. Could you hear the beeping? It just finished charging, so I can actually go home now. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I just not tone the information. Oh, well, I mean that is the kind of content that's all the content I can provide. So well, that is what it is, right? Yeah. I mean, jokes aside, I do feel a little tired, and by a little I mean a fucking lot. But yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, so there's a number of things. Basically, like if I can finish this project with this computer, then I can kind of I can just throw that computer, not literally, of course, but I can kind of throw it in a corner in the sense that I don't really need it. I don't actively need it anymore, which is good in terms of saving space. Okay, well, I don't know what I need. I don't know. Pedro, welcome back. I'm just kind of thinking about what I'm going to be doing for the next few weeks. So yeah, it's annoying because essentially I have until the 21st to get anything done that I can up here done, and then I have to head home. I have to head home from the 21st for about a week, and then I'll be back. But then by then, that's the 28th or so, 27th, 28th, 29th, somewhere in that range. And then I only have about a week before people start coming back to the office, which isn't really a bad thing. It's just, as opposed to being able to record stuff in the office during the entire day, I'd be restricted to the evening when no one's here. So, which is always why I don't really want to go home for winter. But anyway, let's see, the song of, sorry, well, first of all, I in general don't play audio because I just let people play music in the background. So, ideally you can just handle that on your end. Lick your chin. Why would you want to lick your chin? Sorry, I don't know. Is this a meme that I don't understand or what? But yeah. So, well, actually, no, that's not fair. There are reasons why you'd want to lick your chin, I suppose. Like if you spill something on your chin, like if you're eating soup and it spills on your chin. Okay, actually, so I guess that it's not too unreasonable that someone might want to lick their chin or something. Yeah. But yeah, sorry, I don't understand the meme if it is a meme. But yeah. So anyway, let's see. I just wanna. Okay, so maybe I should just plan out like, well. So what I need to be able to do, I guess, I need to be able to do like recording video wherever I am. And in terms of editing it, I can just throw it onto the laptop that I'll have once I head home. So while I'm still here, what I need to get done is, I guess, really just record the video content that I need. And then while I'm at home, I can just spend all my time editing it. Yeah. Oops. Let's see. So that includes audio and video, really, in terms of recording. And then when the new year starts, I'll probably restart the jogging streams, and I'll, instead of bothering to make an app, I'll probably just use Streamlabs Mobile, and just get like a 10 gig a month data plan or something. Because that comes, so streaming at 529 kilobits per second for 30 hours a month comes out to about 6 gigabytes of raw data. So I figure add a safety factor of 2 and round down a little bit because I don't have that much fucking money. A 10 gigabyte a month data plan should be sufficient. Yeah. I don't know if I'll actually jog every day, but let's see. So that handles that. So then this Discord bot can play your live. Sorry, what do you mean? Or I mean, feel free to link the bot or whatever, but let's see. The issue there is well, actually no, there isn't an issue, because if I do buy that 10 gig plan, then I can just stream on Twitch. So there's no issue like there was with Twitcasting, where you could stream low bandwidth, but in exchange you could stream to the platforms. There's a music video bot that we could use on Discord. Oh, interesting. So sorry, what is the benefit of having that bot on Discord though? Is that just easier, or? No, playing voice chat. Interesting. Well, I see. Maybe I don't necessarily see, but I can kind of see how that would be beneficial. So, for example, well, I don't know. Is that easier, or sorry? So my impression was that it was easier for people to watch this stream on Twitch, both in terms of like discoverability. Apparently, because I have never gotten a single view or legitimate view on YouTube. I've gotten bots on YouTube, but I've never gotten a natural person to show up on YouTube. So I just assumed Twitch was like the best platform. So I was kind of shifting all my plans to just how do you stream on Twitch from multiple devices without breaking the bank. Like, is it easier for you to access the stream via Discord or Twitch? Because if it is easier on Discord, then I don't see why not. Like, yeah, I probably should just add that bot. While also, wait, sorry. So what happens if you're like, so right now, what, you have to switch back and forth? How does? Wait. Sorry. How does that work? Wait, are you on a computer or are you on your? I guess I can see on Discord right now if you're on mobile or not. You're away right now. Okay. Sorry. No. I just want to. I just don't understand how it works. But I mean, feel free to link the bot and I'll try to add it or whatever. Yeah. No, I just wasn't sure what the whole point was, but currently on the Twitch page. I see. Okay. So if I had this bot enabled on Discord, then you can be using your Discord app and have it full screen because mobile be like that. And as opposed to having to do like side-by-side Twitch app, Discord, which would probably cause an issue because of... No, I get it. Okay, yeah, feel free to link it. I didn't realize that was an issue, but yeah, feel free to link it so I can implement that. Thanks. And I don't really know how to, but I can look into it. Actually, wait, shouldn't I just... How do you... Yeah, I'll look into it. Yeah. Discord bot that means... Oh, okay. Oh, like I don't need to do anything. You have a bot that does that already or something? Is that the idea? Sorry. Like I guess the question is there anything I need to do or does it just work? Wait, sorry. It just works. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Perfect. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, that's one issue with mobile, right? On one hand, you get security through compartmentalization. On the other hand, it causes issues with like when two sandboxed applications want the same or access to the same hardware, then it does certainly cause issues. And that's really why I wanted a PinePhone, right? Actually, let me see, PinePhone. I do want to try one of these, but because you could run full Linux on this, right? Listening to the voice. Oh, hi Discord. Excuse me. Wait. Let me get a drink. But yeah, jokes aside, yeah. So this is kind of why I wanted a PinePhone. The problem is I don't know. Are they still selling these things? $150, huh? Yeah. Because I asked this on a subreddit previously, and it sounds like if you use FFmpeg, you can actually, you can, through like command line instructions, right? Or, like terminal commands. You can use FFmpeg to basically take a PNG, construct a video stream out of that PNG, add your audio, your whatever, like 128 or 320 kilobit per second audio stream to that, package it all together, send it to an RTMP server. And apparently that's that's doable as a command, excuse me. The problem is that I don't know how to set up a Android or iOS dev environment for like an app. So I don't really have an easy way of making such an application. Really all I need is access to the FFmpeg library. But on Linux or on, any regular desktop operating system, right, it's pretty straightforward, right? You on any Debian distribution, you apt to get your FFmpeg distribution. I guess in this case, if for like PinePhone, Ultimate, hi Ultimate. Yeah, you're listening to me complain about. Well, maybe I should explain from the top then. So the problem is I'm cheap, and I want to stream exercise streams to Twitch. Why is that a problem? Because if I just had enough money for like an unlimited plan, then really all I have to do is just like download the Twitch app or Streamlabs mobile or something and then just stream to Twitch. Problem solved. Unfortunately, that uses a fuck ton of data, right? I don't remember what the standard bit rate was before, but I remember it taking about, to do a 1 hour exercise stream for 30 days, so a full month, it came out to something like needing like a 20 or 30 gigabyte data plan or something at minimum. And that was for like a 480p stream. So essentially I've been thinking about what are ways that I could accomplish the same thing, which is essentially I just need audio to go to Twitch, but at a lower bit rate. So Streamlabs and Twitch and several other streaming applications that I've looked up don't offer like an audio only streaming mode. With audio only, the standard bit rate I believe is 128 kilobits per second. So you could accomplish that on like a 5 gigabyte a month data plan, like something really small, right? I think you can get away with. I should do the math, but you can get away with a really small data plan. But they don't offer that as a feature. So inevitably, what you have to do is you have to take that audio stream, package it with some video frame into like a video stream, and then send it off to your RTMP server, be it Twitch or YouTube or whatever. And the long story short with FFmpeg that I was talking about earlier is that with FFmpeg, this software library, I guess, is that the right term? I don't know. You can do that. It's just I don't know how to run FFmpeg like commands on Android or iOS. So inevitably, the problem is that I don't have a device or environment that could run that commands, and I'm considering a Linux smartphone as such a device to run those commands. I don't know if that scared him away, but if he's interested, I could elaborate or just shut up. But long story short, this is still $150. I don't really want to spend that much money. Or this Linux smartphone. Actually, I don't know. It's out of stock, so it's not even that cheap. It's $200, and this is still in stock. This thing's muted. Okay, must be really bored. I mean, I'm not complaining. Yeah. Okay. So no, it's actually $200 for a PinePhone Beta Edition. Yeah. So I think. So let's see. So in other words, to test, wow, I cannot talk today. Yeah. So to test that would cost $200 plus shipping. Let's just say shipping is $50, so $250. So I would have to spend $250 by this device or by this Linux smartphone, and then I would have to actually write the application. And by write, I really mean just write like a Python script that would, take in my login credentials and then the directory for whatever image file I want, and then grab access to the microphone, and then call FFmpeg to package all that into a video stream and then send it off. So I'd need to spend the time making that script. So $250 plus, let's say, a week of work. Whereas, I guess, as of an update for Streamlabs Mobile several months ago, they have an option for 429 kilobit per second data stream. So that at 30 hours a month turns out to come out to, I think, 5.8 gigabytes. So essentially the point that I'm getting at is in the short term, it actually makes more sense to just get like a 10 gigabyte data plan, because I can just run Streamlabs Mobile at its bare minimum settings and I can just stream audio like whenever I'm jogging or something. In the long term though, it's, that cost. So a 10 gigabyte data plan or 10 gigabyte a month data plan from Mint Mobile is, I believe, $20 a month. So in 1 year, it becomes after 1 year, it becomes more expensive to do the brute force big data plan route. But I think I'll go with it because really what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go for a year, and then next year, if I'm still doing these jogging streams, then I'll invest the money in making a proper application to run it. So that handles that. Okay, so in terms of shopping list, I need to write down something. In terms of shopping list, okay, so I need to get like a 10 gig data plan. Yeah, so we'll buy that at some point. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, so that sorts that out. And then in terms of what I have to get done by the 21st, let's see. Yeah, so I'm going to be stuck in LA for a week. I mean, you know, it's like, I don't like it either, but also like, you know, I don't have a better solution. I don't have the time to like learn Android Studio from scratch and like, figure out how to do it properly. Like, I would hire a developer, but like, what is the return on investment for hiring a developer, right? Like, I don't know, but I think it's going to be several years. And I don't think the application that I just described is worth money. So we'd either have to put ads in, which I don't like, or just rely on donations, which I think would be fine. But also, you know, if I'm the one that wants this functionality, I do feel like I should put some effort. You know, I shouldn't just say like, okay, hey, you do it, please, thanks. Like, so if it's going to be open source, which would probably be the most viable way of getting this thing into existence, like, I gotta put money in, but I don't know how to make this app in the first place, or not money. I gotta put time into this or effort into it in some capacity. I can't do that at this moment, hence why I'm not, you know, asking people to make it for me, or making an open source project for this yet. So until I have the time to do that, yeah, I think we're just gonna brute force it and just spend money. Like, I don't like it either, but like at least there are like winter sales for like, you know, data plans going on right now. So we'll just have to suck it up. Once I'm a big popular VTuber, I can ask for like super chats or something. Once I'm a big popular VTuber, I can be like, hey, yeah, can you guys retroactively pay for this project? Yeah. Anyway. Okay, yeah. So what I want to do. Yeah. All right. So there's two. Yeah, that's the annoying thing. Okay. So besides that, I guess I need to record the video for these two PC related projects, which really boil down to just, I guess, taking note of some weird behavior with these two motherboards that I have. And by weird behavior, I mean, for one of them, the weird behavior is that when you update the BIOS, certain PCIe devices cease to get detected on certain slots. And it's not like the slots die, it's just the one specific device no longer is detected on any of a certain set of PCIe slots, which is very strange. It's not really. I looked through the update log on these BIOS updates, and I don't see anything that would indicate such a thing would occur. But that's one, and then the other one, if I remember correctly, is that the again, or I don't think it's a BIOS update dependent thing, but I think it's more of a manufacturer dependent thing where inserting a graphics card into an M.2 slot, which in the device hierarchy, I believe I think it's higher in terms of priority than the primary PCIe slot. But, or the reason why I speculate that is because when you insert a graphics card into that M.2 slot, sometimes it's detected and it boots fine, and sometimes it doesn't, even though there's a valid GPU below it in the first PCIe slot, which makes me think that the PCIe lanes of the M.2 slot are just listed higher in whatever checks it does when it boots. And it sees an invalid device there and then just like it just poops itself. So I want to log that. Okay, so this one's going to take a little bit longer because it means I have to swap PCIe cards in and out to show that it caused this behavior. And the other one, I guess, also is a little time consuming because I need to run a BIOS update to show that between BIOS updates, this weird behavior occurs. Let's see. And I have until what, the 21st in the evening is when I have to get on the flight. So yeah, I don't know if I really want to do this before I leave. So I guess realistically what I'll do is I'll just script the video first because I already know what the behavior is. So I'll probably script the video first here, and then when I get back, I'll be set to just quickly record it. I'll just have to make sure to bring like lamps and stuff with me. Okay. So then what other projects do I have for making video content? Oh, okay. Yeah. I have, I don't know if Monorist is still listening, but if you are, I have a project from a while ago, which was taking Iris from Hololive, right? Her logo, and then making like a wax like stamp seal out of it. Because this would be easy to 3D print, right? You just take the, you'd have to take the image, convert it to like a vector art or something, import it into your CAD software as a vector, extrude it, but then once you extrude it, negative extrusion, so like intrude it into like a circle or something, you can make like a wax stamp, right? Are there any logos that you'd be interested in doing something like that for, or you'd want that for? Because I plan to make the Iris one just because I think I was talking about it with Skullmeat several months ago, but it's a pretty quick project, so I'd like to show different examples. So if there's like a logo or like a shape that you'd want as like a wax, like like for like envelopes, right? So you pour the wax and then you like stamp the shape on. So that type of seal. This won't be like a commercial. I won't sell this. In fact, I don't think the 3D printer I have has can really make a clean enough surface to make a good seal. But it's more of like a demonstration of, hey, if I had a resin printer, and then wink, wink, nudge, nudge, point to the Amazon wish list. Not actually, of course, but see, and again, I think I mentioned before that those are things I'd be willing to take money for. The way I'd probably do it is like, okay, hey, I want to make these wax stamp seal things. I'll cover half the cost of the 3D printer and, curing system. And then I'll, can someone else pay for the other half? And then whoever pays for the other half, I'll, make whatever things they want out of resin and then ship it to them. Like, see, that's the way I'd prefer to monetize things, if anything. So, what I mean to say is this is a good example of such a project. So if I make these, the CAD model for this and the prototype, and it looks like something someone would want to buy, then I'd probably start discussing, okay, let's make it out of resin and make it like a nicer quality, or maybe we 3D print the actual shape of the print and then sand it and clean it and stuff, and then make a negative out of like clay or something. Say hi. Is this the same Ultimate as before, or is this Ultimate parentheses someone else? But hi. We're talking about so the same one. Okay, welcome back. So this 3D printing project is going to be really fast, right? So one thing I need to do is I need to go get training for the Makerspace on campus. Because I think they actually have an MSLA printer. So I could even just borrow that to make a nice proof of concept. Again, if you don't have a logo in mind, that's fine. It's just I figure I might as well ask while you're here. So that I could probably do in a day. And yeah, no, actually this one I could even do like now. I don't feel like doing it now, but I could do this one whenever, really. So that one is, in fact, I could probably do that while I'm in LA. So maybe that's the project I should do while I'm in LA. Yeah. Right. So yeah, so I guess what we need to do is we're going to do the scripting for the 2 like motherboard weird behavior videos. I can actually do the video for the wax seal thing, and then I need to buy the 6th month or 6-month mobile plan. Okay. And then what else do I have here? Okay, so song covers. Yeah, right. Okay, so then I guess the last thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to go through all of Asahina Akane-san's YouTube shorts, and she has a series where she does all the like the back vocals for like a song, or the idea is that you're supposed to sing like a whatever song in question it is with her, like just a short like 30-second segment. And she does like all the what do you call it, like all the vocals besides the main vocals for you, so that it like sounds nice in the end, which I thought was a smart it's smart because A, it takes advantage of YouTube Shorts, B, it's a short cover, so if anyone actually does do it, or does take up the offer, then it really only takes like a few seconds, or not a few seconds, but maybe like a few minutes to do all the recording. And then C, it's just like, well, no, actually, no, those are the main benefits, really. So so the problem is I don't like, oh, here it is. Yeah, here. I guess she has a playlist called Sing With Me Challenge. So I think what I'm going to do for the rest of the day is just make a list of which songs in here I know. And yeah, okay, well, actually, so let me make a thing on Notion for that. And then we'll call it a day in terms of being productive today. And then tomorrow, what should I do? I just feel so tired. Here, let's see. Actually, tomorrow, I'm expecting to have to, maybe not have to is probably not the right word, but I was expecting to meet up with someone. I got stood up, I guess. But I was expecting to meet up with someone today, actually, for like dinner or something, but that didn't pan out. So I gotta take a quick shower. All right, sounds good. I'm probably gonna do this and then probably just I don't know what happened, but there. So we were in the same class. So we said, hey, let's hang out after the semester or something. So I mean, I told him, I'll just be around campus, so feel free to just like ping me whenever you're around. I assume, yeah, don't worry about it. I mean, I was kind of, if I'm being really honest, I was just laying around in the office, just sleeping. So I don't know, I just feel so tired. But anyway. Anyway, go ahead and take a quick shower. I might end the stream by the time you get back, but because I'm just gonna quickly go through this playlist and then see which ones I know and then see which ones I'll actually record. So tomorrow I'll probably, I don't know if I'll stream, but I'll definitely try to do the audio recording for whatever I can find in here that I want to sing. So let me check. Well, anyway, yeah. So catch you whenever. Yeah. All right. Cool. So we'll just make a list of, well, first let's copy a link to the playlist onto here. Create bookmark and And then we'll just make a list of which songs in this playlist we plan to also sing. Whoops, no, that's not what I meant. Stop. I don't know a lot of these songs, so. I don't know this song. Actually, yeah, let's start with songs I don't know, or let's start with songs I do know, and then afterwards go back through the playlist and then see, try listening to the original songs and seeing if it's something worth covering. Okay, Queen from Canaria. Yes, I do know that one. Actually, I just realized this is gonna be a really real pain in the ass because the vocals that she does isn't separated from the instrument or from the instrumental. So fuck. Well, yeah, we'll have to figure it out. But yeah. So I know Queen. So that's worth a shot. Whoops, I didn't mean to embed. I meant to bookmark. Create bookmark. Okay. Bug. Oh, I actually do know Bug now. I hadn't listened to. Actually, Kairiki Bad has been around for a while, hasn't he? Or haven't? Anyway. Bug is kind of a fun song, so let's add that to the list as well. Create bookmark. What else you don't know? Oh, the title's changed, so I thought it was like the I think it's Bleach, right? Wasn't there a song or wasn't one of the openings for Bleach called Change? But it's a different Change. Okay. So glad I made this Aquarius the other day. Alright, so, no, I don't know what this is. Right, Tsugi. Shiran. Oh, Mixed Nuts. This is a fun song. Okay, Mixed Nuts is a fun song. Alright, so we'll do that. これなんだ? 知らない。知らない。Wait. That sounds familiar. Wait. 元曲だからどこだ? This is why I have to be careful. Sometimes the song titles are auto-translated to English and I don't recognize them at first glance. Oh, that's okay. I don't actually know the lyrics to this, but it's a good song, so maybe we'll make that a maybe. Yeah. 君の知らない物語も知ってるから入れましょう。don't embed. Delete. Create bookmark. Okay. はい、次。 知らない。ん Isn't the title of this wrong? これ夜にかけるでしょ一緒に歌ったら 1.5 オクターブぐらい間違えたはい。はい。ぼちっとな。これタイトル間違ってるよな。やっぱ。誰も反応し、I don't know. Oh, she has some YOASOBI songs in here, okay. Besides Yoru ni Kakeru, okay. 群青っていい曲だよね。ヴァンパイアもある。ヴァンパイア忘れちゃって。fuck. Delete. Back up. Okay. And identity, okay. Don't even need to listen to it. I'll do it. Boop. Group bookmark. Oh wait, but this isn't a cover it with me thing. Oh, not audio. Okay, yeah. Wait, so I have to click this one then? No. Okay. So I guess I have to link this instead. Oh wait, so then this is wrong as well. I need to find the actual Hamori no Mi. Here we go. Yeah, she has some videos that say Hamori ni awasete issho ni utatte, which is the like the sing it with me challenge ones, and then she has some that's where she said where it's what's it called? 自分でデュエットしてみた, which is I sang it with myself essentially, or I sang it by myself essentially. This one I don't know for sure. Alright, so Phony is also a cool song, so let's do that. Wait, no, this is her actual cover. Where's the Hamori no Mi? Here we go. Gotta grab the right links.「進撃の巨人」のエンディングだ。悪魔の子。これはハモリのみなのかな。I'm glad I know a lot of these, or else this wouldn't be much of a product. Ah, goodbye 宣言もあるやん。よっしゃ。じゃあこれも足しとこう。 知らん。I didn't really watch Tokyo Revengers all that much, but the song was good, so let's add that. I guess I should finish that actually, but anyway. 知らん。喜劇。これ元曲なんか聞いたこと。はいはいはい。スパイファミリーじゃん。知らん。I don't know the song, but it sounds cool. 知らん。知らん。なんか聞いたことあるタイトル。Oh, this song. Okay, I don't actually know the lyrics, but I'm willing to learn. Oh, wait, that's not the right one. It's the 自分でデュエットしてみた。なんか聞いた覚えある気がするんだけど。違うか。Sounds cool, but I don't know. これも知らん。ああ、これは知ってる。怪物じゃん。違う。パラサイト。知らん。ロア。なんか聞いたことある気がするんだけど。ロア。勘違いかな。あ、アニマルは知ってる。あ、シルムプレジデント。はい。 ヴァンパイアもう入れたよね。ヴァンパイア、はい。アイデンティティももう入れたよね。アイデンティティ。ねえねえねえ。知らん。ファンには入れた。はい。つかこのシリーズくっそ長いな。あ、これは聞いたことある。Maybe I should call this like challenge accepted series or something.知らん。マーシャルマキシマイザーもう入れたよ。もう入れたわ。なんかタイトルがタイトル聞いたことある気がするんだけどな。紙っぽいな。紙っぽいな。Okay. So this gives me something to start out with. Alright. And there's this person. I don't know if they do. I guess I get with me challenge, but I know they do YouTube shorts where they do brief song covers. So I know you're funny. Funny, funny. Yeah, okay, so that's probably a good start. Okay. Let's see. I guess the question is anyone else doing something like that? AKA, can I leech off anyone else? It doesn't look like it's necessary. Like this sing with me challenge thing doesn't seem to really be a genre. Or am I? ハモリに合わせて一緒に歌って is the the keyword that she uses. So is it possible that someone else also does this like her? Oh wait, Seijin Dansei 3人組, they don't do that, but they do upload shorts where they do just the non like mixed or mastered or I guess the non-mixed vocals. So that's probably good for something. Alright, so let's go. Seijin Dansei 3人組. Let's also add their songs to the list then. なんかアカペラでやってるのが多いな。リンカーネーションとか好きだから。うめえなんて素敵なことでしょう。神は最終障害も強敵となる。シリウス Okay. Sounds good. 握りしめた誓いは光になって。いや、やっぱうまいなこのぐらいうまくなれたらいいな。でもやっぱボカロ曲が好きなのがなんか嬉しいよね、やっぱ。リンカーネーション。はい。wrong one. いや、同じか。カゲロディーズ。特に好きじゃないんだよな。クイーン。はい。And this is, okay, see, and they've got a acapella version of just Queen, so that'll be useful for reference. だってそうじゃない。あんなにもまさにでっかいまさかの結末に。あんなにもあなたにも。Anyway. My baby, my life. それなら僕と踊りませんか。Where's that? ミックスナッツ。はい。メルトはボカロファンとして1回ぐらいは歌わないとダメなんだよね。大抵が iPhone で、はい。これ。Well, let's take this because there's a lot of I recorded it just on iPhone type videos, so yeah, put those together. Hollow Hunger, that's Overlord, I think. Yeah, that's a cool song. This one I don't know too much. Ah, これ同じじゃん。だったら夢。パンダヒーローってあれか？パンダヒーローあんま分かんないんだよな、ぶっちゃけ。Okay, so we're pretty set. I might have to reorganize my Notion page though. Okay, so let's see. So tomorrow, for definitely recording Shiryoku Kensa, right? So it's just which part? 30 seconds, 10 seconds. Let's aim for 30 seconds. What's a good 30-second part of Shiryoku Kensa? Zentai 的にいい曲なんだけどな。僕の心の隙間がぼやけて見えるのなら目を閉じて構わないから君が思うままに Yeah, okay, I'll figure it out tomorrow, but I'll just choose like well, don't have to try too hard. We'll just say in the first whole half. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. So everyone that came by, thanks for coming by. Take care, stay safe, have a good evening. My bicycle finished charging, so I'm probably just gonna hang it up and call it for a day, unless I got any other notifications in the meantime. Nope. Cool. Yeah. So let's see. I'll head home and clean probably. Maybe I should get dinner first. I don't really eat. Had a late lunch, so I'm only sort of starting to get hungry now. Let's see. Tomorrow, yeah, I was gonna say I should get something nice for tomorrow because it's G-Witch Sunday, but it's not because, yeah. So, yeah, okay, yeah, so I have no reason to show up tomorrow. Just relax at home, probably clean. Oh, let's see. Actually, how long is Safeway open? It says open 24 hours. Okay, so maybe I pick up something from Safeway. Oh, excuse me. All right, so, well, it's gonna be here, so. At some point, I do need to fix my headphones, though, so I guess I should at least do that. Yeah, alright, anyway, so Monastery and Skullmeat, and I don't know if Ultimate is still listening. Man, if Ultimate is still listening, I'm surprised you could tolerate me mumbling all the time. Hopefully I have more interesting streams in the future, once I actually get all these projects in motion, which will probably be early January, but yeah. Anyway, yeah. Anyone else that came by, thanks for coming by. Take care, stay safe, have a good evening, and I'll see you guys later. Let's go.